Hey people, welcome to Nasike's Kitchen. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do. We'll really appreciate. Remember to like, comment and share. Today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe on how to use chia seeds. And there are so many benefits of taking chia water. For me, I use it to lose weight and also for constipation. But you can take it, has so many health benefits of taking the chia water. And there are so many ways of taking the chia seeds or the chia water. For me, I'm going to show you this simple recipe. You can use it and you will thank me later. So these are the main ingredients that I'm going to use. First, the main ingredient is the chia seeds, and this is how they look. I don't know if it's clear. Yeah. So first, I'm going to add, it is 1 teaspoon. I'm going to add in my glass. And then I'm going to use a banana which is ripe and half of beetroot. So guys, first I'm going to add water in my chia seeds, and then I stir. And I will let it rest for about 30 minutes. Or even you can let it rest for like overnight, then you drink. But for me, I'm going to let it rest for about 30 minutes. Then after that, we'll get to the next step. And guys, it's good for you to let it rest because it has a tendency of absorbing water. You'll see after it has rested. So it's good to take it after it has rested and it has absorbed some water. This is how it looks. Yeah, so I'm going to let it rest. After that, we'll be back and we'll get to the next step. So guys, you can see our chia seeds are ready. They're a bit thick, and that's the best texture. And then we have our beetroot I've diced. Then we have our sliced bananas. Let's get to the next step. In this next step, I'm going to add my banana in the blender. Next, I'm going to add the beetroots. And then I'm going to add my chia seed water in the blender, and then I blend until it becomes a smoothie. Our smoothie is ready. You can see how amazing it looks. After that, I'm going to add a little. I'm going to garnish my smoothie with some chia seeds. Doesn't it look amazing? Just look at that. So guys, you can see how amazing our Chia smoothie is. You should try it out and let me know how it turned out. Remember to hit the subscribe button, comment, share. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.